Not all customers, verticals and industries are created equal. Hello and welcome to Uncommon Sales Insights, where you will get uncommon and often counterintuitive advice that will help to dramatically accelerate and improve your sales growth. So, not all customers are created equal. What do I mean by this? Well, certainly now during times of Corona, the buying patterns and the buying urgency of different clients and different industries and different verticals are probably changing. You've probably noticed this already. Recently I was at a sales engagement workshop that I conducted for a company which had a number of new sales hires. And one of the exercises that we did was I put myself in the shoes of a new sales hire and asked the sales leader, as if I was one of the new hires, what is the one industry, vertical or customer type in the absence of all others that I should focus on right now to ensure that I hit my revenue goal and you hit your number as a sales leader. And this made the sales leader ponder a little bit. And so we actually looked at the psychographics and the demographics of their customer base and quickly isolated the fact that one of the core sort of key verticals that they were pursuing actually had the lowest probability of buying usually, and during times of Corona was actually getting worse. So as a new hire, why would you want me to spend my time, trying to generate new business with the toughest type of client to win? And so going through this sort of, I have a tool, by the way, and if you'd like to get a copy, contact me, which we ran through to establish what are the criteria of the highest probability industries, verticals or company types that a new hire could be reaching out to. It can be quite eye-opening, this exercise. And if you're a sales leader and if you're a salesperson, wouldn't you really want to know where your people's time is best spent? And wouldn't you as a new hire want to ramp up as quickly as possible to ensure that you can provide for you and your loved ones during this time of crisis? So anyway, in summary, not all customers or verticals or industries are created equal. Make sure you're spending time on the traditionally highest value probability customer type, or B, the type that is now, it has got higher urgency because of the Corona crisis that is going on. I think you'll find it an interesting exercise and a time well spent, because you'll basically be focused on the type of company where you're going to sell more faster, effectively. If this has been helpful or valuable to you and you need a sounding board, or you want or need a sounding board who can help you dramatically improve your sales growth and your sales results, you know how to get in contact with me. Take care.